Welcome to season 2 of the Robinhood Challenge. If you guys don't know what the Robinhood Challenge is, basically I started this 1 year ago. I wanted to learn about investing in the stock market. A lot has happened since I started this challenge. My portfolio went from $0 to over $7,000. Combined with my entire portfolio, not just on Robinhood, but on M1 Finance, on Vanguard, I have over $20,000 now invested in the stock market. So I've been doing a lot of investing over the last year. I also recommend you guys to follow me on Instagram because I do a lot of real estate investing content on there. If you guys are interested in multifamily investments, I'm doing a lot of content on that on my Instagram. I take you guys on my grind of renovating my rental property, going through the ins and outs of all my problems and all my solutions. So go follow me on Instagram if you haven't followed me already. So now let's take a look at the one and only Robinhood Challenge portfolio. So my portfolio right now is sitting at $7,474.02. If we take a look at the 1 year chart, you can see that I'm up $1,100, 17% gain on the year. My portfolio has changed a lot since my first video that I put out. Man, these Ricer cars are just everywhere nowadays. So you guys know what to do. Drop a like button for all the Ricer cars out there because I really am about to yell at them from outside my window. So let's go over the Robinhood Challenge portfolio. One common theme is that I'm invested in a lot of monthly dividend paying stocks. I find these stocks to be very attractive because I'm able to see almost immediate returns once every single month, getting paid out a dividend. It really changed my mindset because when I first started investing in the stock market, I was more concentrated on growth stocks and speculative investments. I thought that was what the entire stock market was all about. I didn't know that there were safe stocks that was going to be able to pay you a return every single month or every single quarter. My mindset when it came to investing in the stock market really started to change when I knew that people are able to live off of their entire stock portfolio. So let's say, for example, if you're able to get your portfolio to around $1 million, I think that's a really lofty goal that a lot of people can achieve within their lifetime. So if your portfolio is worth around $1 million and you can get around 4 or 5% a year when it comes to dividends, that will equal to around $40,000 or $50,000 a year. You can easily live off that amount of money and still have your portfolio growing over time. So essentially, you can just retire and do nothing, live off of that dividend yield, and still have your portfolio grow every single year. So that's where I am right now when it comes to my mindset and my portfolio. I want to grow my portfolio to a large enough amount that I can live off of the dividend yield, and I should be able to do that within the next 10 years. So there's a few reasons why I think that I can get to that amount in the next 10 years. First off, my savings rate is really low at the moment. 10 years is a really long time to compound all of my interest, all of my dividends. And thirdly, my earning power is really high. In the last year, I was able to double my income, and I believe that every single year from now on, I should be able to substantially increase my income every single year. That is just the path that I'm on. Will this grow exponentially? I have no idea, but I'm on track to really grow my income and really grow my portfolio at an exponential rate for, at least the next year or next 2-3 years. So I'm going to share this portfolio really quickly and let you know where I'm seeing the most gains and where I'm seeing the most losses as well. So mostly I'm just doing buy and hold, and I trade very, very rarely. I'm probably doing 2 to 3 trades every single month. All right. So that's where I'm at when it comes to trading. SPHD, LTC, these are monthly paying dividends. When it comes to the most amount of gains, that is coming from LTC Properties. This is a REIT that pays dividends every single month. So not only am I seeing the biggest total returns when it comes to LTC Properties, about $136, I'm also getting dividends every single month, very close to $5 every single month, $4.75. My second biggest gainer for the year is AT&T, which is $106. My biggest loss right now is on paper is AGNC. I'm down $127.60. So one thing about AGNC is that I've been collecting a lot of dividends from them every single month since I purchased them in January. And I've been practicing my trading skills, trying to improve my trading skills with this one stock. So this is the one stock that I'm invested in, and I've been practicing trading. The next stock here is Realty Income, $62, almost $63 in gains. PSEC, I'm down $25. I don't know why Robinhood does not include the dividends when it comes to total returns. If it did, I would be up on PSEC as well. Nike, I'm up $26.55. So this stock just turned around for me in the past few days because of the trade war with China. For the last 3 or so months, this stock has seen a lot of volatility, but just recently it's been going up yet again. So I'm up $26 when it comes to Nike. Coca-Cola is the third biggest gainer when it comes to my portfolio, $71. Apple, I'm up $65. Starbucks, I'm up $40. And Pfizer, the newest addition to the portfolio, I'm already seeing a $10 gain, and that's because I've been buying Pfizer for the last month on the low. The stock market has been turning around now. If you guys remember, last month we were supposed to see a recession. Everything, all the content that was coming out on YouTube and on mass media is just talking about recession. Now, no more talks of recession, and everything is on the up and up. So now let's take a look at the Robinhood challenge when it all first started in September of 2018. At this time, my channel was basically dead. I had, I think, 8,000 subscribers at this time, and all those guys came from when I was doing cryptocurrency. And as we all know, in 2018, cryptocurrency took a nosedive. It was a bear market. Everybody suffered. Everybody lost like 90-80% of their portfolio value when they first started investing at the end of 2017. Like, a lot of people was hurting at that time. And in my case, I had a lot of disposable income. Like, all that money that I invested, it was money that I could lose. So that's one of the biggest takeaways from cryptocurrency and what I've learned from cryptocurrency. So, moving on, I did not want to invest in speculative investments. And that's why I decided to go into dividend investing and just investing in stocks. And I thought stocks was a lot safer and someplace that I could put my money into that wasn't real estate related. So that's where I just gravitated to. And that's why I decided to start the Robinhood challenge. And since then, I made a lot of videos, like maybe close to 100 videos since then. I'm on pace to make like 3 videos every single week since then. So close to over 100 videos since then. This is the video that started it all here. Robinhood Investing 101 episode 1. You can see only 4,000 views, 4,600 views, and it was over 11 months ago. Let's take a look.
This is Robert Kiyosaki.
Ooh, Robert Kiyosaki is the ad on this video. Crazy. So during this time when I made this video, I was grinding. I was doing my real estate business, I was doing my property management business, but when it came to YouTube, I had really no direction where to go. So this was really like just throwing a dart at the wall and I was just hoping to hit something. And luckily for me, I love trying different things. So that's one advantage that I have over a lot of other people, I believe, is that I'm not afraid to just keep trying stuff, because at the end of the day, I'm going to learn and I'm going to get better at whatever I decide I'm going to do. A lot was going on when it came to my life personally. One of my businesses that I opened up failed, that I had partnered up with. I partnered up with some people that I knew. I lost a decent amount of money when it came to cryptocurrency, but even cryptocurrency came around now. I'm back to break-even point right now when it comes to my cryptocurrency. So I was pretty glad I didn't sell at the bottom. You don't lose unless you sell. So I just held on to it, and I survived the crypto bear market. And even right now, I should be in the positive when it comes to my crypto. So that just goes to show that even if you fail when it comes to your investments, you learn your lesson and you can still move on and still succeed. Looking back at me 1 year ago, I remember that at that time I was pretty stressed out about a lot of different things. But luckily, everything that I've invested in, I was able to learn from it, and I was able to build on top of it. And now I'm definitely a lot more confident when it comes to the stock market, especially with this dividend investing strategy that I have going on now. and even more when it comes to my real estate investing as well. At that time, I only had one rental property, and I had no tenants in that rental property, so a lot has changed. Now I'm working on my second rental property, and it is very close to being finished. It should be finished by the end of this month, and I'll have new tenants moving in by next month, hopefully, if everything goes as scheduled. So when it comes to season 2 of the Robinhood Challenge, what I want to do is I want to be able to reach out to even more people to, spread this positive message of learning personal finance, being able to make more money and save more money and invest more money. That is the main objective, and the number value of my portfolio doesn't really matter, but I want to be able to have close to $50,000. Let's set a really lofty goal, guys. I want to have at least $50,000 invested in the Robinhood portfolio by the end of season 2. So let's see if we can hit that. If you guys are still interested in more videos from me, you guys can go watch that first Robinhood Challenge video here, and you guys can find out real estate investing videos here as well. Drop a like if you haven't dropped one already. Subscribe for more content just like this. 3 videos every single week, and join the notification squad. Say what's up. I love you 3000. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.